Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez with creatingwithali.com, and today I am sharing with you my next card class available, and this one is the Artfully Aware card class to go. This one features, of course, the stamp set Artfully Aware, which, as you can see, all the images are just really nice. I think that they really express all the empathy and compassion as well as all the love on all those images. I feel like this is a stamp set that will help you make some cards that will be just perfect for those occasions where your friends and loved ones are going through a difficult situation. So you can see here some of the sentiments. I think that all of them are really nice. Together we make a difference. Lean on me. I am here for you. Until there is a cure, you've got my support. The struggle is real, and thanks for your, so you can put it, thanks for your support. So a lot of these sentiments are just great. I think that this stamp set is fabulous, and so I couldn't wait to make a card class to go with this one. Now, as usual, it's going to be 6 cards. You can see them here. Some of them have a little bit of coloring with the blends, like you can see here, but all of them are really quick and easy cards that you can put together over and over again with these ones. You can also choose to color the full images. I chose to keep them really simple so that you can make as many. You can see that they're really easy to make. Now, the option 1 is the one that includes everything. So it will include the make and take to make all 6 cards, as well as the video tutorials, and it will include also the stamp set, as well as a full pack of the jewel rhinestones, and it also includes this spool of the Night of Navy gingham ribbon. Now, this option is $58 plus, no, $59 plus $8 shipping, and so a total of $67. And option and it includes the shipping, which is priority shipping, so there is a tracking just to make sure that it arrives where it's supposed to be there. And then option 2, it's the one for those of you who already have the stamp set. So if you already have the stamp set, then the option 2 will be the perfect one, and that one is $47, which already includes the $8 shipping. So it is actually $39 and then $8 shipping, and that one includes again the make and take to do those, and then you also have the ribbon and the rhinestones. And then the option 3 is the ones for the tutorial. So if you already have the cardstock, the design series paper, and you already have all the tools as well as the stamps, and you don't need me really to cut anything, you can follow along all the instructions, cut it yourself, then the option 3 is for you, which is the one for the tutorial. And the tutorial is $20. It includes 6 video tutorials for all of those, and this is where I share some of my tips. So I always think that it's the best value for you to get video tutorials rather than just written instructions, because then I can share a little bit more of how I come up with the designs or how I do the cards. And like in this case, I share some tips for the Stamparatus. So definitely I feel like you get the best value with video tutorials. So anyway, so make sure you are on my mailing list, because that's really where I get every month I release classes. So that's the best way to get all the information for those. But also do look in the description of this video, because I will put more information about how to register for this class. Again, thank you so much for your support, and I hope to see you in the class. See you. Bye.